Towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get a free 130-page book on becoming more strategic, focused, and competitive. The book takes you through an 8-step strategic planning process that helps you create and articulate your winning strategy, set goals using the OKR framework, and create a launch event and form weekly execution rhythms that keep everyone on track. You should also check out the free Miro board that makes it easy to manage planning workshops. And when you're ready to bring your strategy to life and manage your growth in software, you should also check out Zocri. Zocri makes managing your strategy, OKRs, culture, and people easy, improving productivity and focus whilst reducing your execution risk. Hi, the next planning exercise we would like to dig into is really about identifying the value that you want to bring to customers better than anyone else that can create a competitive advantage that is not just for now but might even be sustainable in the long term. There are various exercises you can do to help you unpick this. So for example, what are the pain points that you're solving for in your market segment or niche? And what are the features of your products and services that address those pain points? And one of the things that we invite you to do is actually add a priority 1, 2, or 3 label to those to help you assess which are the most important and have that debate in your teams. It's very easy to create a long list of things we need to create or provide a customer. It's also very easy to create a list of things that they kind of want or need. What is very hard to do in product or service management is to actually prioritize those based on things like effort and impact and achievability or deliverability. And that's the exercise that we invite you to do. And that's really a foundational step for moving you towards understanding the value that you bring and being able to articulate it in the form of a value proposition. And we've provided lots of course material on how you can write your own value proposition and how other companies have approached writing theirs. And this will help you communicate internally to employees about where you're going, what the value you're bringing, what you're doing for customers. And again, that's a moment of energizing them, but also helps you play this message out to the market to support sales and marketing activity. So take that exercise on, bring that kind of energy into your teams. Don't be afraid to have the difficult conversations, particularly around priorities. That it can be very hard, and we're not afraid of robust debate, and you shouldn't be. But eventually, try and reach a consensus. So really good luck with that, and enjoy the exercise.